In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Inkscape. Whether you're preparing artwork for presentation, testing contrast, or simply prefer a different working environment, adjusting the page background can make designing more comfortable and accurate. Start by opening Inkscape. When the program launches, you'll see your main canvas with a distinct page area in the center. The background we're changing applies to that page area, which is the white rectangle representing your document. This is useful to remember, because anything outside that page is just the canvas space where you might park notes or extra shapes. Next, go to the File menu at the top and choose Document Properties. This is where Inkscape stores all the settings related to your document's page, including size, orientation, and background. The panel usually opens on the right side, but it may appear as a separate window depending on your setup. Within Document Properties, switch to the Page tab. This tab focuses on how your page looks and behaves. Look for the section labeled Background. You'll see a small color bar or swatch next to it. That bar shows the current page background color. Click the color bar beside Background. This opens the color picker, where you can choose exactly how your page should appear. You can select a hue from the spectrum, fine-tune it with sliders, or enter a hex value if you have a precise brand color. If you notice an opacity or alpha control in the picker, that determines how transparent the background is. For a solid background, keep opacity at 100%. If you prefer a translucent look so you can still sense the checkerboard transparency, lower that opacity as needed. As you adjust the color, you should see the page update right away. If it seems like nothing changed, make sure you're looking at the page area and not the outer canvas. Zooming to the page can help you confirm the result visually. Also, keep in mind that this change affects the page itself. It doesn't create a new object and won't alter your existing shapes. Once you're happy with the color, close Document Properties. That's all there is to it. Your page background color is now changed, giving you a clearer, more comfortable workspace. This simple adjustment is especially helpful when working with light-colored objects, testing readability, or matching a project's visual mood. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing with your new background in Inkscape.